Okay, so today I have some packages here, some samples, some fun stuff, some free stuff, and we're just gonna unbox it because that's what I have time for today. So I am in a nice Christmassy pajama shirt. It works, and we're gonna get started and just unbox this. So I literally haven't even opened them, as you can see. So we have some face masks here to start off. We have a firming pomegranate one and a refreshing peppermint one. So those are just some face masks that aren't in the package. And then here we have the bag. It's very like silvery. It's not like reflective silvery. It's kind of like tinfoil-y. But it's nice. Seems like it's a decent quality. So let's get started. So we're gonna, let's see, what does this say? I think this is just my information. Just my information pamphlet. So we will go ahead and we have a Belif the True Cream Moisturizing Balm. Okay, so this is just a little tiny moisturizer from Belif. So yeah, it's just clear. It feels moisturizing. I guess we can put some of this on. Start with a little bit, see how far it goes. Ooh. It smells very, like, clean. Kind of fresh. Or maybe it's just my hands. No, I think it's this stuff. Yeah, I don't know. There is that. I mean, it feels good on my skin. It's just a little teeny tiny sample. This is supposed to be 10 milliliters, so it's itty bitty, but you know, it is what it is. I mean, it feels good on the skin, so we'll see. Hopefully I don't have any reactions to it or anything. So next we just have some, let's see, this is Tarte High Performance Naturals Park Ave Princess Bronzer. This is the tiniest little bronzer I've ever seen. Let's see if I can get it out here. Tarte. It smells. Is that fruity? It kind of reminds me of the butter bronzer, but I think I like this smell better. I'm not sure what that smell is. So is that like sparkly? It didn't really show up on my hand very well. Barely. Okay, well, there's that. Didn't really swatch hardly, so okay. And then the next little box we have here is Nude Newbie Pressed Eyeshadow Phase 0. Okay, just looks like this. If I could get this one open. Wow, it's really packed up in there. Okay, here we go. And maybe. Okay, so it comes with a little teeny tiny mirror in there. And then it is just this, like, sparkly light pink color. That's what it looks like on my hand. It looks like a highlighter. It could be pretty. So there is that. I guess we'll put that back in its packaging. And then the last product we have here is from Joji? Born in New York City. Luxe Cream Mattes. What is this? Jolie Cosmetics. Cruelty-free and vegan. Okay. I'm good with that. Oh, it's like a purpley color? It smells, but once again, I don't know what that smell is. It's like a, is lilac the word? Mauve purple color. I don't know. Don't think I would ever really wear something like this. I mean, the little, okay. I guess that's, ooh, that's very moisturizing. This is in color lavender. So there's that. I guess it's more wearable than I initially thought it would be. It looks more purpley on my hand, but that is everything for that. I don't know. I would hope these were a little bit bigger. I mean, I don't know if I really feel like it's worth it, honestly. Let's see if this gives us, I don't think this one gives us prices for what it's supposed to be worth. Yeah, this doesn't give us any prices on what it's supposed to cost, but I'm good. It is what it is, but let's continue. So this is Pinch Me. We get free samples. You can ever get into the box, that is. Okay, so we have all kinds of food in here. Let's see, we have, what's this? Neocell Super Collagen. So this is just an information card. It doesn't give you prices though. And then this is a $1 coupon for Heinz Saucy Mashup. There's that. And in here, let's see, we have chocolate and toasted hazelnuts cookie square. We have, oh, this is that Neocell collagen. This is collagen type 1 and 3 for healthy skin, hair, nails, and joint support. This is in berry lemon flavor. There is that. We'll have to try that out. Then we have some more things. It's another one. We have Life's Grape. Vine dried grapes. Raisins revamped. Interesting. Then we have more of the Neocell. This one is in French vanilla. And then this one is in unflavored. Tasty. We have a Heinz mayo chup. Mayo and ketchup combined. Their special recipe. Okay, so what do we have here? We have milk chocolate and melty caramel. That one sounds pretty good. There's another one. Another one. So we got 3 of each flavor. And that is everything in the box. So that's pretty much that. We will just go online and review these products after you've tried them. You have like a couple months to do so. And yeah, that's about it. But that is all I have for you in this unboxing. I hope you enjoyed. If you would like to see any of this, we can go over it. We'll do something together. It'll be fun. We'll have a party. I don't know. Let's have some fun. But on my hand, this is still kind of wet around the edges. A little bit of a mark there, but I mean, it looks more wearable on the skin than it does on my hand and in the tube, but I don't know. We'll see how much use I would get out of it. Excuse me. But that is all I have for you today. I hope you enjoyed. Make sure to like, ring the bell, subscribe, comment. Let me know what you want to see. I am doing my best to get stuff edited and recorded and up. It's hard. We have a lot going on. So, unfortunately, I'm sorry. But it is winter now. So hopefully that gives me more time to do stuff for this instead of other stuff. So, thank you and have a great day.